Space, vast and mysterious, filled with wonders that boggle the mind. And among the most captivating of these celestial objects are black holes. These cosmic entities, shrouded in darkness, hold an irresistible allure, sparking our curiosity and challenging our understanding of the universe. What are they? What secrets do they hold? Imagine a place where gravity reigns supreme, a place where the fabric of space-time itself is warped beyond recognition. This is the domain of a black hole, a region where matter has collapsed to an infinitely small point, creating a singularity. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. Black holes are the ultimate cosmic sinkholes, devouring everything that ventures too close. They are the remnants of massive stars that have exhausted their nuclear fuel and collapsed under their own gravity. As the core collapses, it creates a gravitational well so deep that it punches a hole in the fabric of space-time. But black holes are not just agents of destruction. They also play a vital role in the evolution of galaxies, shaping the cosmos around them with their immense gravitational influence. They are the architects of the universe, sculpting galaxies and guiding their destinies. To understand black holes, we must first understand gravity. This fundamental force governs the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies. It is the invisible hand that holds the universe together. Gravity is a force of attraction between any two objects with mass. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. The closer you are to an object, the stronger its gravitational pull on you will be. Black holes take gravity to the extreme. They are the densest objects in the universe, packing an incredible amount of mass into an incredibly small space. This extreme density gives black holes their extraordinary gravitational pull. Within the event horizon, the point of no return, gravity is so strong that it warps time and space itself. Time slows down as you approach the event horizon, and space becomes so curved that all paths lead inwards, towards the singularity at the center of the black hole. Black holes are more than just cosmic oddities, they are active participants in the grand cosmic dance. They are found at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun, exert a powerful influence on their surroundings. Like cosmic conductors, black holes orchestrate the motion of stars and gas within their galaxies. Their gravity binds galaxies together, preventing them from flying apart. They can trigger star formation, igniting bursts of activity in their host galaxies. But the influence of black holes extends beyond their host galaxies. When galaxies collide, their central black holes can become locked in a gravitational dance, spiraling closer and closer together over millions of years. This dance can have a profound impact on both galaxies, triggering the formation of new stars, fueling the growth of the black holes, and ultimately shaping the fate of the merging galaxies. Section 4. Cosmic collisions. When galaxies collide, galaxies are not static islands in space. They are dynamic systems, constantly moving and interacting with each other. Collisions between galaxies are a common occurrence in the universe, and they can be some of the most spectacular events in the cosmos. When galaxies collide, they don't simply smash into each other. Instead, they engage in a graceful gravitational dance, their stars and gas clouds swirling around each other in intricate patterns. This dance can last for billions of years, as the two galaxies slowly merge into a single, larger galaxy. Galactic collisions are chaotic and transformative events. They can trigger the formation of new stars, as clouds of gas and dust are compressed and heated by the interaction. They can also fuel the growth of supermassive black holes, as they feast on the infalling gas and stars. Section 5. The Milky Way and Andromeda, a fateful dance. Our own Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. These two spiral galaxies, each home to hundreds of billions of stars, are hurtling towards each other at a speed of about 70 miles per second. Don't panic just yet. The collision is not expected for another 4 billion years. But when it does happen, it will be a spectacular event, forever altering the cosmic landscape of our local group of galaxies. As the Milky Way and Andromeda draw closer, their gravitational pull on each other will increase. Their spiral arms will become distorted, and streams of stars and gas will be drawn out into intergalactic space. The supermassive black holes at the centers of the two galaxies will spiral towards each other, eventually merging in a cataclysmic event that will send shockwaves throughout the merging galaxies. Section 6. Echoes of Creation, Unraveling the Cosmic Tapestry. The study of black holes and galactic collisions is more than just an academic pursuit. It is a journey of discovery, a quest to understand our place in the universe and the fundamental laws that govern it. By observing these cosmic events, we gain insights into the nature of gravity, the evolution of galaxies, and the origins of the universe itself. Black holes, once considered mere theoretical curiosities, are now recognized as fundamental components of the cosmos, playing a vital role in the grand cosmic drama. As we continue to explore the universe, we can be sure that black holes and galactic collisions will continue to surprise and amaze us. They are reminders of the vastness and wonder of the cosmos, and the endless possibilities that lie hidden within the fabric of space-time.